Alright. Burping challenge. Dang! Alright, you.
Next one.
Hold on.
That's it.
Yo, yeet. Dang!
I think. Hold up. I bet I can.
Dang, man, they're the same length.
I think that I burped.
Oh, silence before the storm, isn't it? Dang! Oh! God dang! Yo, go get this dude a Coke.
Hey, will you have me?
Hey, give me one too. Hey, I'll give you a retry.
2, 3, yeah.
He's over here spitting up.
Y'all started like freaking crazy. Y'all gotta drink that thing of Coke.
Dang, that was solid. Figures him out. Why don't you believe? Is your pet?
I gotta throw some in my ass.
Snort some dirt. Dude, pick some up and snort it on your arm. Dang, y'all, that's pretty much a tie. They're the same length every time.
Oh man, you used to be better than me.
He's dying.
Hey, J-Robbie.
Oh, they took it. They took it.
They didn't even take the meat.
They're just eating the bun.
Hey.
Damn, they're hungry.
Hell of a mix.
The meat just takes off.
He's looking for the meat. He don't want that bread. He don't want no bread. Hey, Max, come here.
Give me that Coke.
Yo, come eat some cheese. Max. Eat this. Eat this. Oh yeah, he likes some cheese.
Are we ready? Wait. You gotta sit on the red one. I gotta sit on the blue one.
Yo, this is gonna be a long freaking video.
Hey.
Listen. Hold up.
Ryan, can you scoot over something? Hey, we have a story. Nah, don't start burping. Okay. Okay, let me start.
In 3.
Wait, can I be a 2?
1. Go.
Round 2. Fight.
Okay. Round 2. Round 2.
Hurry up, I don't got all day. Wait. Stop.
All right, let's go.
Okay, wait. Go.
Sounded wet. All right, I'm gonna count. I'm gonna start counting.
So far, he wins.
All right.
Wait.
1, 2, 2 seconds.
Bet I can piss longer than that.
1, 2. There's 2 seconds every time.
She's still better.
Uh-oh. We're gonna throw up. Oh! 2 seconds. All right, we'll be right back.
Here's a commercial break. We're sponsored by Crazy Cody's channel. If you want to really great music, go to Crazy Cody's channel. Where you have cancer.
Not me. It'd be like this.
Sponsored by Eagle Eye. Drink this Dr. Pepper, or you will die of diabetes. He's sticky.
Hey, no. Hey, I challenge you. Cody, the wettest fart wins. Hey,
What if you put on the hose? My hands.
Wait, you want to see something crazy?
Where's the hose? You lose.
Hey, can one of you go to? Hey, can one of you?
suck.
Oh, that's nasty. He threw up again. Oh my god!
Oh my god! Hey, turn it on now.
Oh my god! That's disgusting.
Chico, turn it on.
Oh, don't do that. Oh, look at
That's
that!
so cold!